how to create Facebook page without personal account. So if you want to create Facebook page without the personal account, then what you need to do is first open up your browser and then go with the facebook.com and make sure to log into your Facebook account. Once you've logged into your account, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that menu option. Click on menu and then you will have page. So simply click on page and here you will have create a page option. So under your page, now you need to enter your page name. So for example, I'll be choosing a name. And after that, you need to enter the category. So this is a required field. You need to simply enter the category. For example, I'll be choosing clothing and then go with bio. And once you enter the bio, now you need to go with create page. So here on the right side, you can simply go and edit something. If you want to edit, you can go with filters and everything. So this your page looks like this under the desktop preview. You can also go with the mobile preview, and under mobile preview, you can see you can simply analyze that your page looks like this in the mobile preview. So once you've done with the name, category, and the bio, you can simply go with create page. And after clicking on the create page, now you need to finish setting up your page. So you need to enter your contact website if you have any website, and then you need to go with the mobile number. So enter your country code and the mobile number, and then email address and your location, like city or town, and then zip code and everything. Once you enter all of the information, you need to go with the next option, which is on the bottom right. And after that, you can add your profile picture and your cover photo and go with add edit action button if you want to edit the action button. So your action button is right here. If you want to edit or change your action button, you can change it from here now, or you can simply go with the settings after creating your page. So once you've done with that, now you need to go with next. And you can also connect your WhatsApp to your page if you want to, or you can just simply go and skip, and you can invite your friends and you can stay informed about your page. If you want to stay informed, then you can simply turn on your notifications, your marketing and promotional emails about your page. Once you've done that, you need to go with done, which is on the bottom right, and that's it. Your page has been created. That's how you can create your Facebook page without a personal account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.